And I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast SOS.com. 20,000 guillemots, a beautiful black and white seabird of the North Sea, have washed up destroyed along Dutch beaches over the past couple of weeks. Necropsies indicate starvation. Other guillemots are turning up on beaches skinny, sick, and severely weakened. Marine pollution, including hideous man-made long-lasting poisons, and a recent chemical spill on the North Dutch island of Ameland, are implicated. And then there are plastics. By the way, within 6 years, 99% of all remaining seabirds are predicted to have plastics in their guts. Ladies and gentlemen, make no mistake. What's happening to the seabirds will happen to us next. Hashtag refuse plastics. Hashtag consume less. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag join thousands of people each Saturday. Pick a couple of pieces of plastic up. Take a picture. Post online. Hashtag Saturday Plastic Patrol. Hashtag love is the solution. Hashtag love nature. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So don't be shy. Come on to drreese.com, drrese.com, and click on that donate button and make more Earthcasts happen. Have a Captain Cook, which rhymes with look, in the library. It's a rich resource of information. And while you're there, pick yourself up any number of terrific books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, life, the wonder of it all, Save Nature Now, and my latest book, Love Nature. Just do it, drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.